Good evening, everyone. Tonight, please listen to Miss Almira's story. Dear Advice Queen, please hide my identity and call me Almira. I am 25 years old and I have a boyfriend named Albert. He hasn't been talking to me because he believes I've done something wrong. He has completely lost his trust in me. One evening after work, I went to his house because he had agreed to meet there. When I arrived, Albert wasn't home. The only person there was his cousin, named Rico, who answered the door. I asked Rico where Albert was, and he told me to wait because Albert had gone out to buy something and would be back soon. After waiting for about 30 minutes, Albert still hadn't arrived. I told Rico that I needed to leave. Suddenly, Rico blocked the door and turned off the lights. I asked him, "What are you trying to do?" "I need to go home." He replied, "I'm not letting you leave this house unless you agree to what I want." Then he kissed me without my consent. I told him, "You don't have to force a woman if you like her. You're young and handsome. Someday you'll meet someone who truly loves you. You should never force anyone." He listened to what I said and backed off. Then he told me, "Fine, you can go home, but please don't tell my cousin what happened." I promised that I wouldn't tell anyone. However, the next day, my boyfriend sent me a message saying that he could never forgive me because he believed I had encouraged his cousin. He didn't even give me the chance to explain my side of the story. It has now been 2 months and he still refuses to talk to me. Advice Queen, what should I do to help us reconcile and rebuild our relationship? Thank you for your advice, love, Almira. Thank you so much, Almira, for your trust in me. Dear Almira, first of all, I want you to know that what happened at your boyfriend's house was not your fault.